So, very good morning, dear 10th class marks. What are the situation? You don't stop acquiring knowledge. That's why I am sending through YouTube math videos and spoken English videos and also online classes, chemistry, IIT chemistry also moving. So, children, don't neglect. So everyone follow these classes. Each and every class is most important. Now I am going to explain another graph. Draw all graphs which are in exercise 3.2 and show me on Monday at school. Come to school and show me the math notes which are prepared up to date. 3 chapters we have finished. So Monday, let's move to another chapter. Now I am going to explain the another topic. Here y equal to p of x equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. This is. So first we prepare table. This is the most important. How to prepare xy coordinates. So how to prepare table? Here first take x and y equal to x square minus 4x plus 5 and xy. Giving values for x 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slide some positive values and some negative values giving x, and then we find out y value. How to find out y value? To find out y value, as a rough work. Take a rough paper and y equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. Substituting the value minus 4. This equal to minus 4. If you substituting minus value, compulsory put bracket and whole square like. You don't take minus 4 square. You don't write like this. It's not correct. This is correct. Minus 4 whole square. Minus 4 into minus 4 plus 5. Instead of x, we are substituting minus 4. Minus 4 whole square plus 16. Minus into minus plus 16 plus 5. 32, 37. This is 37 right here. And y equal to substituting minus 3 instead of x. Minus 3 whole square minus 4 into minus 3 plus 5. If you write minus, substituting minus value, compulsory put bracket like this. Put bracket. So minus 3 whole square plus 9 minus 2 minus plus 3 4s are 12 plus 5. Total all plus. So add all. 9 plus 12, 21, 26. The y value 26. Next, substituting minus 2. Then we get y value minus 2 whole square minus 4 into minus 2 plus 5. Minus 2 whole square 4 minus plus 4 2s are 8 plus 5. All plus. So add all 3. 12, 17. Y equal to minus 1 whole square minus 4 into minus 1 plus 5. Minus 1 whole square plus 1 plus 4 plus 5. Add 10. This is 10. 0. Substituting 0. 0 square 0. And 0 into something 0. Plus 5. This is plus 5. Okay. Next, substituting 1, y equal to 1 square. If it is positive, no need to put bracket. We write 1 square like minus 4 into 1. Here also no need to put bracket because it's a positive. Minus 4 into 1 plus 5. 1 minus 4 plus 5. 6 minus 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Y equal to 2. 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 5. Here 2 square 4 minus 2 fours are 8 plus 5. 4 plus 5 9. 9 minus 8 1. This is 1. Y equal to 3 square minus 4 into 3 plus 5. 3 square 9 minus 12 plus 5. 5 plus 9 14 minus 12 2. Then this is 2. Y equal to 4 square minus 4 into 4 plus 5. Substituting 4. 4 square 16. 4 fours are 16 plus 5. Plus 16 minus 16 cancel. Y value 5. This is 5. Of course, if you substituting 5 square minus 5 into 4 minus 5 into 4 into 5 plus 5. 25 minus 20 plus 5. 30 minus 20 10. This is 10. Okay, these are the values. Right here these values: minus 4 37 and minus 3 26, minus 2 17, minus 1 10, 0 5, 1 2, 2 1, 3 2, 4 5 and 5 10. These are the plotting points. Now we get plotting points. Of course, right here also some more bigger: minus 4 37 and minus 3 26, minus 2 17, minus 1 10, 0 5, 1 2, 2 1, 3 2, 4 5, 5 10. The first one x coordinate, second one y coordinate. Now come on to the graph phase. This is x-axis, x dash, y dash, y dash. So 0. Scale on x-axis 1 centimeter equal 1 unit. On x-axis 1 centimeter equal 1 unit. That is, and on y-axis 1 centimeter equal 2 units. Actually, y-axis 1 centimeter 2 units means this is, we start 2 onwards. 2, so 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30 and 32. Like here negative values: minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 12, minus 14. x-axis 1 centimeter could 1 unit, that's why it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here minus values -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7. Draw x-axis and y-axis the same as in each and every graph, but sometimes changes scale. Scale depends upon the values of x coordinates and y coordinates. X values and y values depends upon the. Here y we are taking on y-axis 1 centimeter 2 units. On y-axis the y values up to highest value 37 plus 37 plus 37. So that's why we take 2 equal 1 centimeter 2 centimeters 1 unit equal. So we get now 37 or so 25. It's like higher values also 26. Here in the x up to plus 5 minus 4. So 1 centimeter 1 unit means we get here plus 5 minus 4. Did you get clarity? Okay, now taking points minus 4 37. Actually why we don't get 37 here, leave it. Minus 3 26. Minus 3, where minus 3 on x-axis 26 26 here 26. This is the point. It's very important to identify the point. This is minus 3 26. This is the point minus 3 26 on graph. Next minus 2 17. It is minus 2 17 where 17? Actually this is 16 and 18. In between these two numbers this is 17. This is 17. Minus 1 10. Where minus 1? This is minus 1. 10. Easily identify. Y 10 plus 10. Okay. Here also write this. Minus 1 10 and minus 2 17. This is minus 3 26. Next 0 5. x0 y5. x0 always on y-axis. y5 where y5? y6 y8 y6 and y5. y5 it is 4 6 in between. This is y5. x0 y5 this point is. Next 1 2 x1. x1 means this is 2 y2 x1 y2. x1 y2 means this is x1 y2. Next x2 y1. x2 y1. x2 y1 means this is 2 y2. x2 y1 this is. Okay. And x3 y2. x3 y2 again this is x3 y2. x3 y2 and x4 y5. x4 y5 where? x4 y5. This is y6 y5 it is. And x5 y10. x5 y10. x5 y10 where 10? This is 10. x5 y10. Okay guys, have you understood how to plotting points? x5 y10 and 4 5. This is 3 2 2 1. This is 2 1 plotting points. Now join all these points. Join all these points. Take a pencil. It is better to draw the parabola. A pencil here. It's very important. Carefully join all the points. Very carefully. Okay. Very carefully. Compulsory drawing touches through these points. Through these points. That's it. Its shape compulsory get U shape, not V shape. So don't cut V shape. Try to draw U shape like this. Okay. This is parabola. This name is what? Y equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. You don't forget. This is also most important. What is this parabola's name? Y equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. And don't forget scale also. Scale get 1 marks. If you write this 1 mark, it is a graph identification 1 mark, like the marks divided. Okay guys. Once observe. Here observe guys one thing. Does the graph cutting x-axis? Closely observe. The graph does not cutting x-axis. Does not meet x-axis. It is the x-axis. It is only in the part of the upper part. It does not meet x-axis. The graph does not cut the x-axis or meet the x-axis. Graph does not cut the x-axis. Therefore, there are no zeros. No zeros. X square minus 4x plus 5 has no zeros. No zeros. That's it. It has no zeros. If the graph is cutting x-axis, where the graph cuts the x-axis, that x value is the 0. We calculate. But once observe, does it cut the x-axis? No, it doesn't cut the x-axis. If the graph cuts the x-axis, where graph cuts the x-axis, that points will be the 0. So guys, have you understood? So to 3.4 exercise or else 3.2 exercise, draw all 4 graphs again, practice well and show me on Monday. Don't miss. Have a nice day.